Hi, I'm Samantha here with Banas stones. Today we're on site filming a landscape project using Banas slate gray flagstone, commonly known as Pavers. As you can see here, we have plenty of Banas crates with mixed sizes required to complete today's wet lay project. All Banas crates have a label on it with a crate number that can be verified through the office. These numbers here are traceable all the way back to our quarries where they originated from. Follow me, let's take a look at exactly how the landscapers are going to lay the slate gray flagstone around the pool. Here we have all the workers present in full safety equipment ready to lay the flagstone. The sizes being used today are 12 inches by 24 inches, 18 inches by 24 inches, 24 inches by 24 inches, and 24 inches by 36 inches. The pavers are 1 inch with a natural top and calibrated bottom. Banas slate gray is a dark gray to charcoal high quality sandstone. The natural stone matches well with stone which is found naturally in North America due to the darker shades of gray. Exclusive to Banas stones, the consistency in its color has allowed Banas slate gray to become extremely popular in Canada and one of Banas' top sellers in recent years. All natural stone will have some variation in colors. Banas slate gray has considerable variation in tone. There's a process that landscapers should follow to lay the stone properly without voiding the Banas stone warranty. So thanks for having us here today. Why don't you tell us a bit about how the stone is laid?
Today it's being laid on a 4-inch concrete pad, wet laid into mortar with a Portland mixture with concrete sand, 3-to-1 ratio.
So how much should be dug from the foundation?
You want to do a good solid 6 to 8 inches compacted base. Your building is only as good as your foundation.
How about the bottom of the flagstone?
The bottom of the stone needs to be scratch coated to ensure that you get a good bond between your concrete pad and your bedding layer of Portland cement.
All right, let's get going and lay some flagstone.
Okay, let me grab my team of guys and let's get going.
All right, let's go. Okay, so tell me about what you're doing right now.
We're just leveling the stones with fall coming away from the pool so the water doesn't fall into the pool, using a Portland mix and leaving 1/4-inch spaces in between the stones. Get muddy.
So right here?
Yeah. Get to the bottom of the stone.
Yeah.
And trowel with it this way. And then that gives you your level, and then you level the mortar out, working it into the concrete base.
Just making sure we follow some rules, that we're not going longer than 8 feet with our joint spacing, as well as we have no 4 corners meeting each other to make a weak point or somewhere to draw your eye to. If you're looking at it, it's kind of like a bullseye if you do have that situation occurring. We use a spacer, a 1/4-inch spacer, which allows us to seal those joints properly with Portland cement and not having the stones so close to each other that we can't seal them up, and if they can't get sealed up, frost may get into that.
So tell me about the jointing.
The jointing we do as we go to ensure we're getting a good bond between 2 wet materials, the jointing material and the bedding layer. We want to make sure that there's not a dry joint in there. So what we'll do is we'll bag in any joints that haven't pushed up as we lay the tile. So we'll pull out our spacers, and then we'll fill in any voids, making sure we get all the way down with our jointing mud. Take off any access, let it set up for a bit, and then we'll come back to it and clean up the tile with a sponge.
Following installation, power washing is recommended to bring out the natural variation and vibrant color in the stone. Banas stone does not recommend using acid or solvent-based cleaners due to the fact that it may damage or make the stone worse than the original stains. Banas stone does recommend using a protective barbecue mat where eating, drinking, or cooking may occur. Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much.